As they pull away to our right, they'll be coming back for one more pass from... We saw Kev Rumens flying the Vulcan earlier. Now it's still Ramsey, because he's the formation expert. He's been a supervisor. As a wing commander, he was the supervisor of the Red Arrows. He's the man who's best qualified to fly her with the Red Arrows. Savour your last moments, if you're not going to any other air shows this year, of seeing this magnificent aeroplane. As the great Dr. Seuss, the man who wrote The Cat in the Hat and How the Grinch Stole Christmas, said, "Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened." Or if you can't manage that, at least smile through the tears.